Hey everybody, Brian here from the Guitar Factory OC.com, and today we're going to be looking at Wild World by Cat Stevens. This is a great song to sing and play along to, real classic acoustic piece by Cat Stevens. It's only got two pieces to it, the verses and chorus, and it really wraps around over and over the same two, with a couple little kind of parts that piece them together. So we'll break down all of it today so you can play it all the way through. All right, getting into the verse of the song, we have a series of chords with a strumming pattern. Let me show you how this verse part sounds first. So what you're hearing there is an A minor, a D, G, C, F, I'm using the bar chord. If you have trouble with that bar chord, there's a link actually in the description below about how I can explain to do bar chords a little bit easier, some tricks and tips to make them better for you. But that F bar chord, the D minor, and the E major. Now the strumming pattern that I'm doing all along that verse is I'm hitting the bass note of the chord 2 times, then strumming down, down, up. So for the A minor, for example, I'm doing the 2 open A's, and then the A minor chord with a down, 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 up. So it's, and then I go to the D chord, do the same thing, but your bass note's the open D string. When you go to the G, it's going to be that low E with that 3rd fret down inside the chord. The C, the bass note will be on the A string. This is the reason you got to do the bar chord for the F, because you want to get that 1st fret of the low E string to get that F bass note. For the D minor, the D string, and then the open E major. And there's a little riff here at the end that you're going to, while keeping this chord down, you're going to hit the open E, the G string, back to the open E, back to the G, and then you're going to get your pinky down on the 2nd fret of that G, pull it off, back to that one, open E, and a B. Let me do that slower again. A little more speed. And that always ends the verse. So all together you would have this for the verse. Twice. So that's the verse section. Now, once you make it the 2nd time through, heading into the chorus, he's not going to do that E lick at the end anymore. He's going to go like this, coming off the F, D minor, E to G for the 2nd time with that. And then we're going to break down that chorus. Okay, when heading into the chorus section, there's a little piano buildup that happens first. And how we're going to do that, it sounds like this. That chorus there. So when we do the build up, we're going to just use the D string 3rd fret, D string 2nd fret, D string open. Those are the 3 spots you're going to be using your fingers on. And I'm going to strum the D, G, and B strings. The G and B will be open, and we're going to strum it 4 times each. That was the 3 0 0. That's that 2 0 0. And it opens like that. Set you up for that chorus. So we're going to continue the same strumming we've been doing for the verse, but we're going to start with the C chord now. Baby, baby, to the G chord. So C, G, same strumming, and the F. But the F is a special one. We're only going to do the bass notes, 1 strum of the F, because we have the famous descending major scale that happens after that. Okay, let's break that down. I'm going to zoom my hand in for you on that one. So what we're going to do is the 1st fret of the B string 1, open B, G string 2nd fret, G string open, D string 3, D string 2, D string open, and then A string 3. It's the major scale descending. So after that F, leads us to the next chord, which is going to go back to that G. And the F, C. There's another riff coming up here. Let's just make sure we got where we have that part down so far. C, G, F, G, F, C, with one strum. And here's the riff that comes after the C chord. Real nice bass lick there. So let me zoom in on that one, and you got this here for the bass lick. 2 times you're gonna hit the 3rd fret of the low E, open A, 3rd fret of the A 3 times, open A, and back to the 3rd fret of the E. So slowly. So the first time that chorus goes around, we're gonna make that lick happen after that C. Okay, we're gonna repeat the chorus for the second round. Second time, no lick. We're just gonna play a D to E to get us back to the verse. And that's the breakdown of the entire song. Let me do a full walkthrough for you so you can hear it all put together. Hey, if you guys like my videos, please go ahead and click like. Also subscribe to the channel so you can get alerts when new videos drop. Alright, you have all the pieces now. Here is the full breakdown together. Verses, A minor, repeating the verse, E to G, piano build up, C, repeat the chorus. Thing again in that order, and that is the entire song of Wild World by Cat Stevens. Apologize for the singing, not much of singing around that one, but at least you get the points of where that goes. Hopefully you sing better than me. Hey, if you're looking for a full online guitar course, head over to the guitarfactoryoc.com. I've created a full online course for you that takes you through all the necessary fundamentals you need to be a well-rounded guitar player. If you click the link in the description below, there's a free quick start course you can start today.